What if I told you I cloned an award winning website in just 10 minutes using AI with zero code? This website won Website of the Day on Awards. Just look at it. The animations, the smooth transitions, the premium feel, everything is perfectly crafted. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I recreated it using AI tools, step by step. Let's get started. Before building anything, we need to understand one thing. What makes this website special? It's not just design, it's the motion, the images, the transitions, the flow. So instead of coding everything manually, we're going to break it down into assets, images, animations, and structure, and let AI rebuild it for us. First, I captured screenshots of the original website. As I scroll through the site, I take snapshots of every section: hero, transitions, animations, dark mode shifts, everything. Then I clean those images using AI image tools to remove text and enhance clarity. The goal here is simple. We want clean visual frames that we can later turn into animations. I organized all of this inside a Google document so everything stays structured and easy to follow. Now comes the powerful part. We take the first frame and the last frame of a section and we use Google Flow to generate the in-between animation. I use a structured prompt which I've shared in the Google Doc to tell AI exactly how the transition should behave. For example, smooth cinematic motion, soft lighting shift, premium website animation style. And as you can see, the result looks very close to the original. Is it 100% identical? No. But it's surprisingly close, and we didn't write a single line of code. Once the animation videos are generated, we need to turn them into frame sequences. So I upload the generated video and extract frames from it. I usually set around 15 frames per section depending on the smoothness I want. Then I download the frames and organize them into folders. For example, folder 1, hero animation, folder 2, dark transition, folder 3, scroll animation. Then I rename them properly as image sequences. This is important because our website builder needs structured naming to track animation frames correctly. Now this is the most important step. We create a master prompt for Google Antigravity. I used ChatGPT to generate this structured prompt. I explained what kind of website I want, the animation style, the number of image frames per folder, the folder names, how transitions should behave. Important tip, make sure you update folder names, number of images in each folder, image sequence naming format. For example, if you have 120 images in each folder, clearly mention 120 frames for hero animation, 120 frames for scroll transition. This helps the AI build accurate animations. Now we paste the master prompt into Google Antigravity. If you don't know how to create a project there, check my previous video. Once you paste the prompt, the AI starts generating the structure, the layout, the animation logic, the interaction behavior. Sometimes it will ask for confirmation or preview approvals. Just follow the steps, and after a few minutes, you get your final result. Here's my final cloned version. Is it perfect? No. But is it close to an award-winning website, built in minutes, without code? Absolutely. And this is just the beginning of what AI can do. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.